Hey, what's poppin'? Get up and grab fitness, fam. Listen, man, it's your boy Kelly D, and I got another 30 for 30 for y'all, man. Another good workout, man, a good exercise. This one right here is definitely for beginners, but at the same time, this is a warm-up for the advanced people. What we working on today is shoulders. Doing a lot of shoulders on today. Okay, we doing some shoulder shrugs. We doing some shoulder press, okay? We're gonna do some lateral raises. We're gonna do some front raises. And we're gonna do some delt flies, okay? We're gonna work the whole shoulders, but in this 30 for 30, this one right here is for those who don't know anything about the shoulder, don't even know how to do a shoulder workout. And this is a good warm up for those that's getting ready to do some dumbbells, any type of vigorous shoulder exercise. You can do this workout right here. It will be considered a warm up for you. We're going straight into it. People ain't gonna waste no time, man. We got 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Y'all already know how we do it over here, man. Always make sure you got your water, your towel, and some space. You don't even need that much space, just a little box. That's all you need is a little box, and we gonna get it going, people. Let's get the timer going. I'll see you in a minute. All right, folks, as you can see, man, we got 30 seconds left. We finna get right into it, man. We ain't gonna waste no time. As I said before, this is a nice warm up for the shoulders. Before you do any vigorous exercise on the shoulders, you gotta warm them up, or you are in a high risk of injury. We are definitely trying to prevent injury, folks. Let's get off to it, man. Let's go. We got 9 seconds left. We got 7 seconds left. 6, 3, 2, shoulder press. So all you're doing is this, okay? Just pushing it straight up in the air, like you're trying to touch the sky. Straight up, just like this. There you go, straight up. This is how it should look. All right, I'm gonna turn behind. Straight up in the air. We got 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Good job, good job, good job, good job. So, right there, folks, as you can see right there, we got some good shoulder press. Next thing we have is lateral raises, okay? Lateral raises. Now, let me show you what lateral raises are, okay? Lateral raises is straight to the side, okay? Almost like you flying like a bird. You just straight to the side. This is all you're doing, okay? Nothing extra, nothing much, okay? We got 1 second, let's go. Lateral raises. Straight up like a T, until you make a T. There you go, can you see? There you go. Straight to the side, straight up, until you get to a T. Come on. 3, 2, 1, get a break. All right. I'm telling you, you should already be feeling your shoulders nice and warm. Like if you feeling that burning sensation, that's blood rushing into that muscle. It's warming it up. Next thing we got is front raises, okay? Let me show you how it look. Okay, we're going this far. Not this high, not this low. Right there by your chin, okay? So you're gonna come up to your chin, all right? We got it, y'all. Let's do it, y'all. Let's do it, let's go. Just like that, yeah. There you go. Keep it moving, just like that. Good job, straight up in the air to about your chin height, right there. Good job. Keep it like that, stay focused. Don't rush it. All you're doing is getting it nice and warmed up, people. Nice and warmed up. That's all you're doing. 5 seconds left, come on. Come on, straight up in the air, just like that. Good job, folks. Make sure you got some water if you need it, all right? Gonna put some music on. We gotta put some good music on. Let's go, y'all. We got 15 seconds left. We got 8 seconds left, 7 seconds left. Next thing we doing is delt flies, okay? So this is what we doing right here. Watch this. You going just like this, making a T. You squeezing the top of your back. Delt flies, you squeezing the top of your back. Just like this. Okay? You follow me, look. There you go. Make sure you're making the T. Make sure you're making a T. 10 seconds left. Let's go, y'all. Come on. This is for your back of your shoulders. Delt flies. Back of your shoulders. All right, y'all. Those was delt flies. Those was for the back of your shoulders, okay? Next thing we got for people. Shoulder shrugs. Okay? What I want you to focus on is squeezing at the top of your neck right here. Squeeze. Squeeze right there, just like this. Just like this. You see? Squeeze. All right? You're going to pull your shoulders back and you're going to squeeze up. 3, 2, shoulders back. Squeeze. 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 It's almost like you said, I don't know. 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 There you go. Squeeze. 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 1. All right, folks, this is our first set of the warm-up first circuit. We on round 5. Now we're going into round 6, people. So we're gonna do this one more time. And this is gonna be a nice warm-up. It kind of could be like a dynamic shoulder warm-up for you if you need just some blood pumping in your arms on today. And for those beginners right here, this is teaching you the movements, okay? We're finna go in 5 seconds, right? 3, 2, shoulder press. Let's go. Straight up in the air. 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 Straight up. Come on, this way. Come on. Straight up in the air. That's it. Straight like that. 3, 2, 1. Great job. This shit should be on fire. Like, man, on fire in a good way. Like, it should be tense. It should be nice pump. Burn it, man. You should be feeling that good burn, but that's good. That feeling is good. That is your muscles being activated. Next thing we doing, people, is lateral raises. Straight to the side, okay? Straight to the side, just like that, all right? Straight to the side. Let's do it, y'all. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Take your time. You ain't rushing nothing. You're just taking your time. Let's go, y'all. You ain't rushing nothing. Take your time, straight to the side. Almost like you're flying, like a bird, straight to the side. Yeah, it's gonna get you some good defined cuts on the side of your arm. You're gonna get some good cuts right there, right? Next thing we're doing is front raises. Like I said before, we focusing on not going past our chin. We're not going below our collarbone, and we're not going above our chin. We're going at right at chin level, okay? Because this is right here activating our front part of our shoulders, okay? Listen, folks, we got 5 seconds left. I hope you've been getting you some water. Y'all know I stay with water every day, all day. Let's go. Come on. Turn to the side. You see that? It's not going below my chin. I'm keeping my chest up. And all I'm doing is focus on raising my shoulders. That's all I'm doing. I'm not doing nothing fancy. Just raising my shoulders in front of me. And there you have it. Front raises. All right, people. Next we got is delt flies, okay? Like I said before, what you want to focus on is giving yourself a hip hinge, okay? This is a hinge. You want to, this crease right here, you want to push this in. It's going to make you hinge, okay? Because you don't want to squat. So you want to push it in, hinge back, about this far. Put your hands like that and make a T, all right? And you're going to feel it in the back of your muscles. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Right there. You should feel this in the back of your arm. There you go. There you go. 10 seconds left. There you go. 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 All right, good job, good job. Next thing we got in the last exercise we have is shoulder shrugs. Now I want you guys to focus. I don't want you too much. I don't want you to round your shoulders and try to shrug. I want you to pull your shoulders back and focus on lifting your traps. Lifting the back of the upper part of your back, your traps. Squeezing right there, okay? That's what I want you to focus on, all right? In 3, 2, shoulders back. Let's go. Up, 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 up. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Just like that. Squeeze. Just like that. Squeeze. Just like that. Look. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. 2, 1. Boom. And there you have it, folks. A quick shoulder workout for beginners and a quick dynamic warm-up for advanced people. Those who are already hitting the iron. Those who are already pumping that big weight. I see you out there. It's your boy Kelly D with Get Up and Grab Fitness. Y'all make sure y'all tell y'all people to go to that Patreon and keep supporting the page. Y'all doing a great job. Notice I'm watching. Y'all make sure y'all drop some pictures, man, of y'all progress so I can make sure that this 30-day challenge is what you need. This 30-day challenge really help you. And if it didn't help you, guaranteed money back guaranteed. It's just like that. That's how much I believe in my product and myself, which I am my product. You make sure you're working out for 30 days with these 10-minute workouts. I promise you, you cannot tell me you're not gonna drop more than 20 pounds. You're dropping between 15 to 20 pounds in 1 month, guaranteed, if not money back. But this is the catch. You have to show that you've been doing the workouts. So you have to show that you've been hitting the videos every day, you've been on your diet every day, you've been focused every day, okay? I'm gone, I ain't gonna be long because it's a 30 for 30 and I just want y'all to enjoy the workout, but keep making sure y'all check and stay posted with what I'm putting out because I'm putting out all type of healthy and fitness tips, health and fitness tips. Crazy. Let's get up and grab fitness, man. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Love y'all.